Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If the Create Sticker option is missing on TikTok, there are a few things you should check. First, make sure your TikTok app is updated. Open the Play Store or App Store and search for TikTok. If you see an update button, tap on it and update the app. Next, remember that not every video allows sticker creation. Some creators disable this feature, so the Create Sticker option will not appear on those videos. Try opening a different video and check again. Also make sure you are looking inside the Share menu. Open a video, tap the Share icon, then swipe through the options until you find Create Sticker. If the option is still missing, check if the video allows sharing features. Some private or restricted videos may not support creating stickers. That is how you fix the Create Sticker option missing on TikTok. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro for more TikTok fixes and tutorials.